of ministry in Auckland, we rejoice in how we have been blessed by El Shaddai in the growth of our faith. Labis akong nagagalak na makita ang paglalago ng gawain na ito ng Diyos at naniniwala ako na biyaya at tulong ng Diyos higit pang marami ang makakakilala, magpupuri at maglilingkod sa Kanya.
Amen.
Before I end, allow me to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to Father Sherwin Lapaan and the St. Mark Catholic Church for the continued support to the El Shaddai ministry and the Filipino community. I would also like to thank all the ministry leaders, workers, and volunteers who have continually worked hard in the vineyard of El Shaddai. Gaya ng ipinako ng Diyos, hindi masasayang ang ating pagpapagal para sa Panginoon. Lastly, thank you, Brother Joe Sabaresa, for flying to Auckland all the way from Australia to deliver the healing message. Thank you once again for joining this anniversary celebration, and I pray by the God's grace, we will see each other again during the regular prayer meeting every Sunday. Enjoy today, experience the God's grace. God